Xiaomi has launched a new model of their phone, and this is the Xiaomi Note 8 and 8 Pro. And in this video I'll show you how you can install Google Play on your 8 or 8 Pro Chinese version phone. So to do this, first of all you need to go to your Xiaomi app store. Like here you can see in my mobile phone I have the get apps option. From here I just click on the get apps. Now there is a simple step. This step have all Xiaomi mobile phone, not only this version but all the Xiaomi phone that have the store. You can just go to the search option, and from here you need to write the Google, 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 and then press search. But you can see there is the option you can show the Google Play Store and other related apps, but this is not what we need to install. We need to scroll down at the last of this page, and here in below you can see some written in the Chinese. You cannot understand, but we need to click on here, and when we click on here you will see an option that this is the apps we need to install, and this is actually the Chinese Play Store installer. Actually when you download these apps, what happen, there is some option. Now you can see inside of these apps you just need to press on the green button here, and it will automatically start downloading all the apps from here. Like you can see all the apps, the Google Play, Google Service, and other all the apps, Google Calendar, everything inside of this. And now I will show you how to do this. So first of all, when you come to this page, you just click on get, and it will start downloading this app. So now I'm downloading this app, and then I will open it and show how to do this. But I have already installed all my Google on this phone, because I'm also using the Chinese phone as I am in China. So I have already installed all the apps, and there is also hidden function that when you search for Google and you scroll here, and you can see a lot of apps that already from the Google. You can see all the Google apps here, because Xiaomi have all the Google function, but they are actually hidden. You need to find out with this function. So I have already installed this app. Now I click open, and when you come to this page, this is the first page of this apps. Now you need to click on the green button, and you can see automatically start downloading all the apps. But here all the apps I have already downloaded, so it will not take me more times. And when a download is finished, then it will automatically pop up a window to install the app. Now you can see it's downloading one app for me, and 65% completed. Let me wait for a few seconds more so I can show you. Here all the apps that necessary for running Google apps on your phone is including. You can see that they are try to install the Google Play service already download. So I just click allow, and then then you can see that this is the new update version actually, so that's why I can easily install. So I just click on install, and it is started install. And in this how you can download all the apps from here. So because you can see this is the not latest version, that's why this update is closed. So this is the easiest way how you can download apps and install Google services and all the necessary apps on your Xiaomi Note 8 Note 8 Pro mobile phone. So I hope you guys like the video, and if you like the video, please hit the like button. And if you face any problem related to this or any other Xiaomi mobile phone to install Google, let me know in the comment section. I will try to help